students, in previous video we have discussed about the discounting of bill. Now move to the next topic, deposit of bill of exchange for collection. When a drawer receives a bill, he may keep it till due date in order to collect the full amount, but in order to ensure safety, he may send it to his bank with the instruction that the bill should be retained till maturity and should be realized on the due date on his behalf. मे बी इफ ड्रॉवर चाहेगा तो वे बैंक को कलेक्शन के लिए सेंड कर सकता है, बट इट डजेंट मीन डिस्काउंटिंग ऑफ बिल एंड बिल सेंड फॉर कलेक्शन बोथ हैव डिफरेंट ट्रांजेक्शन. सो ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ दिस बैंक ऑल्सो चार्जेस. देयर इज अ टू कंडीशन व्हेन बिल्स आर ऑनर्ड एंड बिल्स आर डिसऑनर्ड. Now see different journal entry in the books of drawer and in the books of drawee. First, our transaction is if bill is sent for collection by drawer. You see, by drawer. So what is the journal entry in the books of drawer? Bill sent for collection account debit to drawee's account. But there is no any transaction in the books of drawee because in this act there is only the transaction takes place between the drawer and bank. Now, second transaction, if bill is honored on due date, then what is the journal entry in books of drawer? Bank account debit to bill sent for collection. Bill आपका पैसा आ रहा है ड्रॉवर के पास, तो बैंक अकाउंट टू बिल सेंड फॉर कलेक्शन. Similarly, in the books of drawee, journal entry will be bills payable account to cash account because पैसा जा रहा है ड्रॉवी के अकाउंट से. थर्ड एंट्री इज इफ बिल इज डिसऑनर्ड ऑन ड्यू डेट. डिसऑनर्ड होता है तो क्या एंट्री होगा? ड्रॉवीज अकाउंट डेबिट टू बिल सेंड फॉर कलेक्शन. एंड इन द बुक्स ऑफ ड्रॉवी बिल्स पेबल अकाउंट डेबिट टू ड्रॉवर्स अकाउंट. Now, in the fourth transaction, if the bill sent for collection is honored by drawee and bank charges, suppose there is a कोई भी problem नहीं हुआ, due date पे payment drawee ने कर दिया, तो bank charges some money. So here is this is expense for the drawer. So what in the books of drawer, what is the journal entry? Bank account debit, bank charges account debit to bill sent for collection. Now move to in the books of drawee. Bills payable account debit to cash or bank account. Now in fifth condition, dishonored of bill deposited for collection. आप जो बिल भेजे हैं वे dishonored हो गया. So what is the entry here? Drawee's account debit to bill sent for collection account. Now who is liable here for noting charges? Bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit to drawer's account. Noting charges is paid by drawee. Let us see one questions regarding bills sent for collection. On 28th Feb 2011, Kumar purchased goods from Kishore. You underline Kumar and Kishore. Rupees 25,000 and gave his acceptance after size 60 days on 2nd March. Who is the drawer here? Kumar purchased. It means Kumar is drawee and Kishore is drawer. Site 60 days on 2nd March. On same date means 2nd March. Kishore deposited the bill and it's honored on due date. We have to give the journal entry in both parties. Both parties means in the books of drawer, in the books of drawee. And also second condition, Kumar dishonored his acceptance and bank paid noting charges rupees 250. Let us see the different journal entry. Journal entries in the books of Kishore. Kishore means drawer. And journal entry in the books of entries in the बुक्स ऑफ ड्रॉवी. दोनों की एंट्री आपको साथ में करनी है. कुमार मीन्स ड्रॉवी. At first make the performer particulars debit rupees credit. Let us now first what is the first entry? On 28th Feb 2011. What is the date here? 28th Feb. First entry is Kumar purchase goods from Kishore. So what is the entry is Kumar's account debit to sales account. What is the here narration? Being goods was sold on credit. What is the amount? 25,000. In the books of date is same, that is 2011 28th Feb. What is the journal entry in the books of Kumar? It means Dravi. Here is the entry is purchase account. Purchase account debit to Kishore's account. Kishore's account. Amount is same, 25,000, 25,000. What is the here narration? Being goods bought on credit. Now, second line you see, and gave his acceptance after 60 days on 2nd March. Dravi means Kumar gave his acceptance on 2nd March. So what is the journal entry here? 2nd March. Next entry आपका 2nd March को होगा. Bills receivable account debit to Kumar's account. Kumar's account amount is 25,000. Here is also 25,000. Now move to in the books of Dravi entry on the March 2nd. March 2nd. What is the entry here? Kishore's account. Kishore's account debit to bills payable account. Bills payable account. 25,000. 25,000. Now, 2nd March. On same date, Kishore deposited the bill and its honor. First condition में honored हो रहा है, second में dishonored की बात हुई है. तो first we have to pass the journal entry. Bill is honored. So at first bill sent for collection. So what is the date is same, March 2nd only. Bill sent for collection. Drawer कहाँ bill send कर रहा है? तो bill sent for collection account debit to bills receivable amount 25,000 and 25,000. In this there is no any transaction. यहाँ पे कोई भी एक्टिविटी नहीं है ड्रॉवी और बैंक के बीच. सो यहाँ पे नो जनरल एंट्री. नाउ मूव. Acceptance honored. Bill and it's honored on due date. If bill is honored in now what is the due date? Due date is his acceptance after 60 days. Here is March 2. Now when you are calculating the date will come May 4. May 4. Entry will be bank account debit. Bank account debit to bill sent for collection account. Amount is 25,000 and 25,000. Being Kumar's acceptance honored. यहाँ पे honored हो गया. So what is the journal entry in the books of Dravi? That is May 4. What is the journal entry? Bills payable account debit to cash or account. That is a 25,000. 25,000. Now in books of drawer entry is Kumar's account debit to bill sent for collection account to bank account. What is the amount? Here is a 25,250. 250 is of noting charges and bill sent for collection account 25,000 and bank has taken 250 as a charge. What is the narration here? Being Kumar acceptance dishonor which has deposited for collection and bank paid noting charge. Bank paid noting charge. Now in the books of Dravi the entry is bills payable account debit noting charges. In your question you see Kumar dishonor his acceptance and bank paid noting charges rupees 250. The noting charges is expense for Dravi. Noting charges account debit to Kishore's account. Bills payable amount is 25,000. Noting charges 250 and total amount is 25,250. I hope, student, you understood the different journal entry in the books of drawer and drawaway regarding bills sent for collection. Thank you.